Another week, another show, and this one's a big one as we're heading out to Germany for an event called To Hell. This is our friend Marius from Camber's event, and we want to support him in a big way this year because it's his second year doing it. We've got some of our friends from Team AF joining us for the ride. We've got some guys going to meet us along the way, and then we've got some of our European friends going to meet us there this evening for our pre-event barbecue. There's drifting, track action, drag racing, a skate contest, even an aeroplane show. That's all the big day tomorrow, and then on Sunday, seeing as we're so near the ring, we're going to go do a couple of laps and then we're back on Monday. We're going to get in the cars, head over there and see what it's about. Big whip, mate. I like the wheel trims. Suits you.
Do you think? Tyre went flat this morning.
I think it's got other issues.
Yeah.
Park that up there by the skip, maybe in the skip.
I can put it in the skip.
Yeah.
So good. Do you like it? Yeah. She likes it. I'm just funny. I'm an actor. To be funny for our YouTube community. They're laughing. I see that. Behind the screens. Behind the scenes and behind the screens.
Behind the scenes and behind the screen. What a gem! First time!
Oh, what a deep dish! Wow! Wow! Help me!
Let me see.
I got it!
Go on.
Woo! Did you talk so much?
They're a bit too dark.
Easy, buddy.
Wow, it's driving!
That is day one done. It's been a long one. We started at 5 AM. It's now 8 PM our time, 9 PM local time. I think it's time for us to grab a bite to eat, have a beer, get back to the hotel, get our heads down, because tomorrow we have got a very big day indeed. We've got drifting, track action, drag racing, an aeroplane show. We've got the booth to set up. We've got people to see, names to try and remember. It's all going on. I'm done. See you in the morning. It's day one, big day, show day today, and it's already stressful, but the stand's set up, the cars are all good and working for now. I've got to get out there for a briefing quickly, then I'm going to go set some tyres alight. Let's get on with it. It is a wrap. We have been here over 12 hours. The show has been absolutely insane. We've been drifting, we've been drag racing with a drift car, we've done some circuit driving, we've seen a ton of cool cars, met a load of cool people, had some good food, some nice drinks, but now I am absolutely sweating. It's time to get back to the hotel, get some sleep, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hi, Gravity Jordan. You have LinkedIn now. I think I saw your picture on LinkedIn. Very nice.
You like
new
it?
One, yeah. And I have also a new one with my head. Oh, everybody is jiggling and was texting me. Oh, what a nice head.
Giggling is love.
Giggling.
Giggling. My English is not the yellow from the egg. Yeah, I'm new. Yeah, but
baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. They live through the story they made. Okay. Baby, I'm trying to get paid.
A nice chilled Sunday for the team today. As you can see, we've got everyone with us because there's a few of these guys have never been to the ring before. Seeing as we're so close, just being in Mendig about 30 minutes down the road, we thought we'd use today to come down here, see what cars are on track, and then a few of these guys are going to do their first ever lap themselves. We're going to run a slow one, and then maybe if they're feeling brave, they might run a faster one themselves. We'll show you what's around, we'll show you some of our cars out on track, and then it's back, sleep, back to the UK because I've still got a car to build and we've got another big event in just 2 weeks. Oh, and I've got a gearbox to change as well now.
everybody from the UK. I'm from Harlow, Essex.
You're not from Harlow, Essex.
Hey, legends don't die in a grave. Hey, legends don't die anyway. I was working on a play today. Body bag covered the way I paved. Zipped up like a bathing ape. How many of us that came and stayed? Not too many of them staying awake to get it and get right on every mistake. I give them a bite, they taking a plate. It's all been a feeling that I couldn't shake. So I just keep killing till I'm at the gates. We straight, we treat them like worms in a lake. They bake, just give me a drum and a bass. I skate and grind till I'm numb in the face. Okay, don't fuck up my day. Don't talk about clutch, I got ice in my veins. I'm colder than Trey, I stick to the code. I'm glitching the game. I do anything for the win at the end of the day. I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with
Cheers! Let me in!
Ready?
Let me in.
Oh my god. Just be careful, Benny.
Ooh. Oh, this green TT, he's annoying me. Now, like in Gran Turismo, going the right side now. Turn signal. You're indicating. Like this and this, going this way.
Just waving at people.
And this was a car spotter.
Yeah.
That's good. I like it.
Hey man, keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave.
Got me biscuit, got me coffee. About to go watch some cars go round.
Live through the story they made, okay? Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Legends don't die in a grave. Legends don't die anyways.
Only Team AF group member. Only Team AF group member. Boss, come on. What is here?
taxi. He's like
Yeah.
my Uber. When I'm in
Yeah.
Germany,
I'm his Uber with the JDM Uber.
my Uber drives an R34 Skyline.
Yeah.
Send
Let's
it.
go, right? Right. Oh, come on.
What's
it's
this? Look at this,
daily,
look at this.
Daily.
But
If we got in
what
traffic.
is that?
I don't want
What
to
is that?
shift gears if I going in traffic or the clutch is hard and all that stuff. Yeah, you see? Oh, look, some horses. Such a nice road here. Can't stand. Hello.
No, don't keep waving at random people, Ben.
No, not raving. So schön. Hello. Cows.
Watch where you're driving.
I saw some cows.
Here, just watch the road.
Yeah, I'm driving good. JDM Uber, like in Japan, you still know they're like woo 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 woo.
No, Benny.
Wow wow wow. Woo.
No, Benny.
Yes,
Benny, no.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
My brakes have been a bit red.
Yes, slow.
No, it's a fast car.
No, I know it's fast, but just drive nicely.
Oh.
Look, there's more cows.
Make a picture.
What, of cows?
Oh yeah, the guards wants to see it. Let's see.
Cub. Alright. Whoa! Yes, I'm not a good passenger, Benny.
I know.
And you're not a good driver. Stop! It's the end of the road.
Right.
Left.
Okay.
Here's James taking the talkie.
Yeah, I've took the talkie out. Just chilling like Sunday drive. And that brings our big trip to Germany for Camber to an end. We've had an amazing time out here in Germany, met a load of cool people, had a great time drifting, track day, the show was incredible, but now we've got a long drive ahead of us and a lot to do when we get back, because in under 2 weeks we're going to be in Poland for Ultra Race, and I load the cars up next Tuesday. Between that time I've got to put a chaser together, I've got to put a gearbox in my LTO, and we've got to clean a load of show cars. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.